You know what time it is. It's time. If you have kids, and you know, bubble guppies, what time is it? It's time for lunch. So it's time for our favorite time of the morning. The chef Bing Don is in the building with a few reggae eats.
Great.
Them say, white name pumpkin what?
Takari.
Takari.
It's
what
Indian,
up to your
actually.
belly? That's what you look like when you're ready for food? That's not what you look like you're ready for right now. I could tell you, but I won't. So we're going to make some pumpkin takari, obviously. It's made from pumpkin. But what else goes in?
Curry, a little ginger, natural seasoning and spices.
And of course, this is a fantastic alternative to having meat because, you know, I thought we don't put all these in things and such. But is there anything that you add to it that has a Jamaican twist, that has our own little Caribbean twist?
Yeah, man. Scotch bonnet. Yes! Oh, gosh, man.
I see it. I was smelling. That's why I'm asked. All right, so what's the first step?
The first step is to, first of all, this is Mark, by the way.
Good morning, Mark.
Mark Greatness. Yes, I. Greatness. See it? So, first of all, we add some coconut oil.
Yes, of course, the good
pressed
greatness. Coconut oil, so when it go in the pot, it smells up the place.
Greatness. You smell that? Alright. So, next step, we add some pumpkin.
How much pumpkin?
It's like a pound.
And
so,
peel it?
yeah, peel, wash, dice, and you get it roast.
So if they add the pumpkin, how long are you allowed to stay for?
Like just until it is roast evenly. So like maybe 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah, because I was about to say, I don't know what is roast evenly.
Until it look like it brown up on the side then.
Until it start catch that little brownish color.
You have to break it down.
Yeah. Greatness.
When somebody don't function and then kitchen very
as simple as possible, just so wait until it brownish.
Yeah.
And after you do that, you add
the natural seasoning. Like we have garlic and onions chopped.
Oh,
so
very finely chopped.
Yes, I.
That take long.
Big up Mark Greatness for that. You know?
How long? How long do you think you need to do that?
To stir?
No,
to,
I mean
to
cut up. Sorry, not how long. How much?
How much?
How much garlic?
Garlic, like maybe two cloves.
2 cloves of garlic and
or
a
2
half
pegs.
onion.
Sorry.
two pegs.
2 pegs off of the clove. Okay.
Yeah.
So don't go chopping up on it.
Yeah, don't go too garlicky with that.
I would have done that.
You 2 whole or something? That look like 2 whole or something?
No, but you know.
No, because it's chopped, you know, it might look different.
Alright, so after that you add the...
So my favorite going in.
Jamaican scotchy.
And of course the colors are very reggae right now, in case you don't notice. We have red, we have gold, and I see some green getting chopped to get added.
How much pepper you add to it?
As much as you want.
Like a half.
Can I manage that?
Half a scotchy. Alright, for me that's about all a scotchy.
Can I manage so much pepper?
You can't eat pepper?
No, I can, but not so much. I want to sweat.
Sweat?
From my head.
A good thing that man.
Alright, so when you add the curry, how much curry we add to it?
We add like maybe
Him don't ready for the curry yet?
tablespoon.
So no curry time yet?
No, not as yet. What I did, I mixed the curry with the coconut milk.
Oh.
Yeah, so that is a formula that we, you know.
Excuse me.
Yeah, man, hungry now, man. That's why you have to eat so much.
Yeah, you smell that? That's the garlic and the pepper. So we add coconut milk.
So how much coconut milk you add now?
This is like a cup.
Because me just fling in.
We are just throwing some coconut milk.
Sure.
Greatness.
So is there a particular way that you pour it in? Because I know some people them...
Yeah, we have a greatness way of doing it, you know. So we just give it a stir like this. See? And then we start from the middle. Yeah. And then we go around.
Okay.
We know that
Greatness.
I'm going to do something like that.
Coconut milk.
So where the green going to come from?
See the parsley over there.
Greatness. So we allow this to simmer for like maybe 5 minutes. Or until tender as you would like it.
Okay. And then it kind of curdles up, so it's not as thin, and it kind of makes like a gravy or a sauce?
Yeah, a sauce.
Oh, so the
Because
parsley is just for show, it doesn't go in there?
The parsley is for garnishing actually.
Garnish, oh.
Greatness.
Okay.
So
that's
you
it?
just eat this by itself?
Yeah, it's simple, very simple. So all who feel so them can't cook and them something there. Yeah, we're gonna add salt. I normally add salt last.
Oh, why?
Because that way you get to taste everything when everything is combined, and then you definitely know the
How
amount of
much
salt.
you need of what? Okay. Now I noticed that it has been happening repeatedly of late. Like you bring a finished dish, It's right here. And they don't give us no fork.
And I'm only have
It's
one
like
fish.
Don't worry yourself.
Them don't want us to eat it because them want to eat it and them don't want to give us any. But guess what?
Mark
Them
greatness
just bust
have
it
recovered.
because Mark have some plastic spoon. And they're going to use and eat it.
Greatness.
Ha ha ha! Ha! Jody, I hope you
Yes,
get a
I-
picture because I'm gonna taste this one.
Oh gosh.
So where can people find you?
We're at 11 Maven Avenue, that's Half Hope Road. Yeah.
This is good.
And next Wednesday, we're going to be at the Little Joe Festival at the Wiki Waki Beach. Yeah, man, that's February the 7th. Actually.
Yeah, I was going to ask if you have any special events coming up this month, but
So,
At the restaurant, we're planning this new thing called Greatness Wednesday. Greatness Friday, actually.
okay,
See,
Greatness
so
Friday.
every Friday we start like from maybe 5, go up until 11 p.m. Don't want to go
And
too
what's
late.
special about that Friday? Why is it so great?
Because at the chefing down is just pure greatness. Seeing and for that Friday actually we're gonna have like live acoustic music. It would come in, sampling meals, you know, chill, have a vibe, you know.
Nice, nice. That
Yes.
sounds very good. And so this is just bubbling up right now.
Yeah,
but,
man,
you
you
can see
smell
what the
that
finished
also?
product looks like because we just had some and it tastes really. Ooh,
and I'm not a
so
big fan
nice.
of pumpkin.
You're not a big fan of
No, but
pumpkin?
this is-
I
this
like
is
pumpkin,
really good.
so that tastes good to me. And I love coconut milk, so you don't get
My
that.
mother usually take it out of the soup for me.
You're spoiling.
Yeah, my aunt.
Darian Edwards, aka the chefing dad, and of course Mark, his sous chef over there slicing away. They stopped by to give us a taste of reggae eats. And guess what? We're gonna go for a break because it's almost time to go.
And
So
greatness.
come.
Don't forget the greatness. Yeah.
Yeah,